Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain exercise 3, 8th problem. What is given here? Find the length and breadth of the rectangle given below, and its perimeter is 72 meters. Here length and breadth is given in terms of x. Now I have to find length and breadth. Okay. What is the formula to find perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Here what is given length? Length is 5x plus 4. Length is 5x plus 4 and breadth is x minus 4. And your perimeter also given. Here the perimeter is 72 meters. Perimeter of the rectangle is 72 meters. Here you know perimeter and length and breadth also you know, but in terms of s. Now I have to find length and breadth. Okay, here what is the formula? Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Now let us substitute. L plus 5x plus 4 and B plus x minus 4. Now perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into, here length is 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4 is equal to 72 meters. Now 2 into 5x plus x is 6x. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 2 into 6x is equal to 72 meters. 2 into 6x is equal to 72 meters. Now I have to multiply 2 and 6x. 2 into 6x is 12x. 12x is equal to 72 meters. Now x is equal to, here it is multiplied by transposition method. I have to take this 12 into RHS. Here it is dividing. X is equal to 72 by 12. Now 6 12s are 72. Here you know x. Now you have to find length and breadth. Now substitute the values. Here what is the length? 5x minus 4. 5x plus 4. Now 5 into 6 plus 4. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 is equal to 34 meters. Then we have to find breadth also. Breadth is to be equals to x minus 4. Here x is 6 meters. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2 meters. Okay? Then ninth problem. Here what is given? Length of the rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 84 meters, find the length and breadth. We already made one problem. Same. Based on this one, I have to complete this ninth problem also. Now coming to 10th problem. After 15 years, hemostasis will become her present age. Now find her present age. Solution. Here, what is given? After 15 years, Amos age will become 4 times that of a present age. Now I have to find the present age. Okay. Let the present age of Haman is X. Let Haman's present age X years. After 15 years, Haman's age is to be X plus 15 years. After 15 years, Haman's age X plus 15 years. But in the problem, what is given? After 15 years, Haman's age will become 4 times that of the present age. Now, according to the problem, X plus 15 is equals to 4 times of present age. X plus 15 is equals to 4x. Now, 4x minus x is equals to 15. Now 3x is equals to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. Now x is equal to 5. Now present age of Haman is 5 years. Okay, children? Okay, then 11th problem. Coming to 11th problem, what is real funds reason, children? A sum of 3000 rupees is to be given in the form of 63 prizes. Here total amount is to be 3000 rupees and number of prizes are to be 63. If the prize money is either 100 or 25 rupees. Now I have to find the number of prizes of each kind. Okay, now coming to solution. Let number of 100 rupee notes. The 100 notes is to be equals to x. Then 25 rupee notes is to be 63 minus x. Actually, number of prizes are to be 63. In that 100 rupee notes are to be x. Then 3000 rupees. Okay, now first of all write solution. Let number of 100 rupee notes is equal to x and number of 25 rupee notes 63 minus x. Total money ₹3,000. Okay, now sum of 100 rupee notes and 25 rupee notes is equals to 100 into x plus 25 into 63 minus x. Sum of 100 rupee notes and 25 rupee notes is to be equal to x into 100 rupees into 63 minus x into 25 rupees. Now 100 into x is 100x and 25 into 63. 325 is 75, 625 is 150. 150 plus 7 is 157 and it minus 25x. 100x minus 25x is to be 75x plus 1575 rupees. According to the problem, 75x plus 1575 is to be equals to 3000 rupees. Now, x plus 1575 is equals to 3000. Now 75x is equal to, here plus is there by transposition method. Whenever you take this into RHS set, it becomes minus. Now 3000 minus 1575. Now 75x is equals to 1000. Here 0 is there, 0 to you can't subtract 5, then you have to take borrow. Here also 0 is there, here also 0 is there, then here 3 is there, then here we have to take borrow. It becomes 2 and it becomes 10 and again. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 75x is equal to 1425. X is equals to 1425 by 75. X is equal to 1425 by 75. Now fifth table. 1 5s are 5, 20 by 5 is 7. Then next 2 5s are 10, 4 is the remainder, 42, 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25. Then next again 3 5s are 5 5s are 25, 3 is the remainder, 37 5s are 35. 1 3s are 9 3s are. X is equal to 19. Here X is 100 rupee notes. Now number of 100 rupee notes is equals to 19. Now number of 25 rupee notes is equals to 63 minus 19. Then 30 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4.